I don't know about you, but I love the internet. The internet has made great changes in our life, and one of the changes that it's made is it has made an enormous amount of information available to us that normally would not be available to us, like the information in my Thought Mastery program. Now, before the internet, a program like Thought Mastery would cost you hundreds, maybe thousands of dollars. But one of the plus signs of the plus sign, what am I looking for anyhow? One of the pluses of the internet is the fact that it's cheapened information, unbelievably so. See, the big guys figured out if they gave away tons of information for free, and then advertise, they can make money from advertising, which they do. But the little guys, we don't make money from advertising, but we can't sell our products like we used to sell them for huge amounts of money, and they're worth every penny of it. This Thought Mastery program is a perfect example. It's really, you can't put a price on the value of it. And yet I'm making it available to you for $7. I mean, that sounds like a ridiculous amount. Actually, if you base the value of the program based on how much it's costing you, $7, you've missed the point completely, because this program is absolutely priceless. You're getting over 20 years worth of research and study and information about how thoughts create your reality in very real and tangible ways for $7. You can't get that anywhere else. I mean, it's a fact that it's our thoughts create our personal reality. That's the reason why you have a Bill Gates whose reality is much different than yours and mine, and that's the reason why you have your reality. Now, here's the thing about thoughts. All thoughts have consequences. First place thoughts have their consequences is in the body. In other words, we feel them. So the main thing about our thoughts is getting to understand how we give our power to thoughts and how to take power away from thoughts that are unpleasant or unwanted or undesirable. So that's what you learn in this program. And the great thing about this program, it's not something you have to study, it's just something you have to read. You read it in bite-sized chunks over 21 days. At the end of 21 days, you are the master of your thoughts, because you have all the raw material, all the information you have to put this information into practice every single day of your life from here on out. Becoming a master of our thoughts is a fairly easy thing to do once you have the right information. The wrong information, it could take you years. It took me over 20 years to become a master of my own thoughts, because there was no information out there on how to do what I know to do today. And because I have learned the hard way and paid the price and went through the hard knocks that you have to go through to learn how thoughts create feelings in the body and how thoughts create our reality, you don't have to do that. So for $7, you've got the future you want at your hands, because once you become the master of your thoughts, you get to think the kind of thoughts that attract good things to you, and at the same time, you will have the ability to remove power from thoughts that attract things to you that you do not want.